Last week we asked you a question saying, okay, where do we go? Do we go to France or do we go to Sweden? So we wonder, have you already guessed where we are? Because we are
in Sweden!
In Sweden! So, this is our second day in Sweden, and we have a hailstorm. I'm not sure if you can really see it very well. I'm trying to film it down here. There you can see it. Additionally, we have the heater on, as you can see, and it is heating here very nicely, and we are waiting to do the dishes as you can see as well. But before we tell you the story of Sweden, we want to tell you the sunny story of the Netherlands. So let's go.
We are now here in Spanbroek. It's a little village in North Holland. We stayed here for 2 nights. It's a free parking spot. It's a really nice spot because it has a really good vibe.
And it has the good vibe because you can see the locals passing by. It's actually a very nice spot with a very beautiful view and that you can enjoy.
Yeah. And we had a really nice sunset last evening.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
Yeah. And then, as it is a free spot, you don't get many facilities. But there is a tap, water tap near the church. So yeah, you could use that. And there are some bins where you can get rid of your trash. So that's that. Oh, and there's a small baker and also some grocery shopping nearby. So yeah, if you need that, that's done. That's good as well.
And if you're really tough, you can take a swim in the water over here. But it was a little bit cold, so we didn't do that.